Hey guys, my name is George and I bought a new mic because this guy right here, the connection to it is pretty wobbly, and having a device that works only half a time is pretty painful to use because you need to check every time. And since I already got the message that my mic arrived, I'm gonna go pick it up. There's gonna be some relocation of plants in the house, so it looks like a fucking jungle in our hallway. Okay, I'm heading there. I'm gonna be filming on my phone, so I'm gonna have to remember 7-digit code to get the package, so that's gonna be interesting. Hopefully I can do that. See you there.
Vyjměte balík a zavřete schránku. Děkujeme za využití Alza Boxu.
Alright, so I managed to retrieve the package. The address is on the back side. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to blur it from the footage prior. And without further ado, I'm gonna set up my Raspberry Pi camera so we can have a pretty good view of the package from the top. And let's see what's in the package actually. So as you can probably see the cables here, I'm trying to figure out why the camera on the Raspberry Pi isn't working, and if I get it to work, I'll be back. And here we have the fucking package. I'm gonna switch a scene. Ooh, bonk. Let's go. Here's the package. I know it's fucking overbrightened or whatever. This is the best I can do currently. Yeah. So I'm just gonna open the bad boy. Okay, almost there. Almost inside. Okay. We're in, boys. We're fucking in. I probably haven't mentioned, but this microphone is second-hand, so it's not brand new, but it should be much higher quality than this one. Okay, I'm still looking at myself in OBS. I need to stop that. I need to look right in your eyes, right at you. You're there, I see you. Don't look at the fucking OBS. Okay, switch back. Okay, there we go. Do we get original packaging? Actually even got the actual box of the mic, I guess. Yeah, it is. Boxes in the boxes. Curse! Get me out. I wanna see the mic, please. Oh my god, it's actually big. God, it's fucking massive. Holy shit, it's like a brick. There's nothing else. Okay, so this is what we get, which is... Okay, I'm rambling. What am I saying? New mic. I'm gonna put cable in, test it. What I'm noticing that the cable isn't super long, so I'm gonna have to probably get a longer one. But if I just plug it in, I think it should work, out of the box. So, what happened was I connected the mic, the new mic, into my hub, USB hub, which has 4 outputs, 4 USBs, and I plugged it into the 4th one, and I think it drew too much power from it, so it actually disconnected my keyboard, my mouse, and the normal microphone, so you couldn't hear me there. And the cable is actually too short to get to my computer, so I can have the mic side by side now. So I need to figure out how to put them next to each other, because they're close-ish now, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be testing the mics side by side. I should hopefully be recording both of them so you can hear the difference. And I found some haikus. Hopefully I don't mispronounce anything, but what can you do? Okay, sound takes number 1. Action. An old silent pond. A frog jumps into the pond. Splash. Silence again. An old silent pond. A frog jumps into the pond. Splash. Silence again. The light of a candle is transferred to another candle. Spring twilight. The light of a candle is transferred to another candle. Spring twilight. Over the wintry forest, winds howl in rage, with no leaves to blow. Over the wintry forest, winds howl in rage, with no leaves to blow. I don't know about you, but I actually think that the old mic sounds better than the Shure MV51. Yeah, I mean, it's out of the box, so there's still equalization that can save it, and I'm gonna do that because I wanna be using that mic. But yeah, just if you wanna have out of the box, I think the Behringer sounds really good. Like, much better than the Shure one. But that's just me, it's all subjective, so yeah, I'm gonna do some equalization and effects and be right back. Okay, so this is how it sounds like with all the effects. You can see them all above this side, hopefully. And yeah, I hope it sounds better. I need to speak right into the microphone, otherwise the quality is gonna suffer. And hopefully we got closer quality-wise to the Behringer. Even though I like the Behringer as well, I'm just gonna toss it in the mix so you can hear the difference, perhaps. I don't know, I hope this mic sounds closer because it's not broken and I'm gonna be using it. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye!